Hello friends, today we will learn about automatic dynamic calendar in Google Sheets. So it is very easy. If you do not want to, then watch this video completely. First open Google Sheets on your phone. After it's done, click on the plus icon below and click on the annual calendar. After the calendar is opened, look here, you can customize it. For example, I'm bringing it to the middle, and you can also change this year. I'm changing 25 to 26 now. Look, it is a 26-year calendar. You can also change its color. And here you can change anything for all buttons. After the color changes completely and you feel it's right, click on the save bar option above. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.